can feel it coming together. Slow burn thin wire, storm in a sweater. Eyes on me from across the room. I feel it, but they don't know me. They don't know what I've been through. No, they don't. In every step, in every day, like home I'm in. And if they stare, then let them choke as you stare back at her on every petty little smirk. Cause I'm done watching the view of people who never knew the truth, but they all know. And all the lines I used to hide are glowing now in neon light. Something's shifting, something's real, like a lock given to the key. The dots start to match too well, like a heaven stitched through hell, like your name in a distant spell, calling me back under your veil. It's a color I can't quite see, a frequency inside of me, buried jewel under the veil. The dots match too well. The fire I keep inside, I wanna lose the weight I wear, the kind that hangs from pain and care. I wanna move, I wanna dance, like my body and soul both had a chance. And then there's you, like a phantom spark, a whispered voice inside the dark. Come closer when the lights come on into me. I can see your blurry eyes. Trying to smile in a wasteland of lies. Yeah, face so clear. Your tricks are clean, your hands are smart. So clever. You would turn confusion into art. You're a riddle with no release. A missing piece inside of me. The dots start to match too well, like a heaven stitched through hell, like your name in a distant spell, calling me back under your veil. It's a color I can't quite see, a frequency inside of me, a buried jewel under the veil. The dots match too well. I hear it now, under the noise, under the fear, under the voices. I hear it now, closer now, a low vibration, a quiet truth, a new formation taking shape. No, I can't see it, but I know it's there. No, I can't hold it, but it's in the air. All of the pieces, all of the pain, all of the nights weren't for nothing, but I can see it.